Welcome to the first of my YouTube video tutorial series. In this series, I will be focusing on the application of AutoCAD for CSEC. At the end of this video, I will be showing you how to draw this simple block using AutoCAD. So my first step is to change to my construction layer. Next step is apply a line. And I'll be starting from this point and I'll be working my way down across here, then up. So this side is 22. The full base here is 60. This side is 22. So I click here to start. I ensure that orthogonal mode is on. This allows lines to be drawn perfectly horizontally or vertically. I then go move down, type 20, followed by the enter key to get that short side. I then move across, type 60, 60, enter. Then I move up to get this section here, which is 22. I type 22, enter. And then I'm gonna move out just a random distance, left click, then escape. So this is an extra line. So currently we have this side here, this line, this, that line, this here. The next step is to draw this line, which is at some distance and 45 at 45 degrees. So my next step is to activate line command. I left click on the line command. I then left click on my start point. I move at a random distance, then press the tab key. Tab key, press the tab key one time. It will then allow me to, it will then request that I enter an angle that I want. You will realize that this is not allowing me to move the line at any angle. So to deactivate that, I press the orthogonal mode, this here. This now allow me to draw to flex the line at any angle that I need. In this case, I don't necessarily need to be able to flex this, as once I enter the angle, it will automatically draw. So I want this angle to be 45 degrees here. So I type 4, 5, enter. And this line is now drawn at 45 degrees. My next step is to draw this line. And this line is, I think a dimension is missing here. So let me quickly dimension this. So from this point to this point is 22. So I'm gonna draw a line up from here, 22, then go out, sorry, 16, then go out 22. I go back to home, back to line, click here, move up 16, 1, 6, then out. For this, I want to engage orthogonal mode. 2, enter twice. So I now have this point. I then hit space bar to reactivate line, then click here, here, enter key, escape. Now I need to draw this line. What I could do, I could left click on this line to highlight it, then left click and hold this end and pull it all the way out, click, then escape. I then trim and trim off all of this, enter, click, click, that is done. TR, enter 2 times, trim here. And this line has to be deleted. Delete. So that is the figure. It is the shape. My next step is to draw this circle here, this circle, and that circle. This circle is located 18 millimeters to the right and 18 millimeters up. To locate this, I could use several methods, but I'm going to use a simple method. I activate line, then click here, type 18, 1, 8, enter, move 1, 8, enter, get the center. So I move 18 in this direction and I move up 18 to get the center. As this is 18 in this direction and 18 up to get the center. Yeah. The next step is to draw the circle, this circle here. Again, I did not state the radius. So to do that, I go to annotate and I click on radius. I click on this. That's my radius. Space bar to reactivate here. Escape. That is 5, that is 9, that is 22. So to draw so here is the center for my circle. I then type C for circle. I then left click here, move out a little bit, then type 9. 9 by the enter. We have that. For this side, now we can delete this. Delete. For this side, I'm gonna go back to home, click on line. Here, type 18, 1, 8, enter. Go up 10, 1, 0, enter, enter 2 times. So now I have the center for this. My next step is to draw the second circle. This circle has the radius of 5 millimeters. So I go back to circle, left click here, move out, 5, enter. And that is basically it. Now that I've drawn the figure, the next step is to dimension. To add dimension to this, I must first change to my dimension layer. I left click here, then select dim dimension. This is AutoCAD architecture. So I'm going to click annotate to go to these. And for this, I'm going to start off with linear. Linear will allow you to dimension only horizontal and vertical sides. So I left click here, left click there to get that. Space bar to reactivate, left click there, left click here, then move down. Or I could also click the space bar twice. Bam, bam. When that squirrel box pops up, I left click on the line, then move out, and that is now dimension. So instead of touching 2 points, I can click the line and then move out to dimension that. Now I wish to dimension this incline line. Yes, so I will need to use my aligned dimension. So I use this one. Again, I click here, click there, move out. Oh no, I don't think I need that. I don't need dimension that part. I don't need. I need to dimension from here to there, which is on the drawing. So I need to use align. So I click there, that, and I go up. Space bar to reactivate. I click there, go up. Now for this one, they give us the angle. We don't have a length. So I'm gonna use angle, go here, click on this one, angle, and I'm gonna touch here, touch there. Oh, sorry. So click this. No, sorry, this one. This one is for angle. Sorry. Click here, click there. Then I go up like this, and we have that. Now for the radius, I'm gonna click on this one. Click on that, drag out. Space bar to react it. Left on the circle, out, and we have that. Now I need to establish my 18 millimeters from that point, or the location of the center relative to a point here. So I'm going to align. I click here, then I move towards the center and I click there, and I now have that. It's space bar to reactivate. I click here and I click there, and I now have 18. Hit space bar to reactivate. First, I must delete this. I don't need it anymore. I click here, center, here, I have that. Space bar to reactivate here from this point to the center. Here, that is 10. And there we go, there we have it. You could stop, draw your centers for this, but for now, well, we could do that. Probably I should. Go to home. Center line, then draw a line, one line here. Space bar to reactivate the next line here. Then I'm left click, drag this up to the middle, right there. Then I copy. C over copy, enter. Left click, enter. Click here as the base point, click here, click there, escape. I need to change these lines to the right layer, which should be outline. Then come up here and click on outline. And we have that looking just like that. So that's basically how we draw this. Pretty simple.